Alright guys, so this is the Peugeot RCZ thermostat. This one here is the original. Differences is this hose here, which looks like this. You might have it, you might not. I had to cut that off because this one is just a normal bulb. And this here was a bleeder valve. So this was basically just a plastic screw. I screwed it in all the way and I had to cut it even down to the thread a little bit, just so it fits. So the wiring, you can get a little harness, an adapter harness that goes in here and then into this one here, which is the same as this one and this one. Obviously they're different plugs, but it does the same thing. This is you got your temperature sensor over here on these two, and I'm not sure what the other one is, the one at the bottom, but they're both here. The plugs are different. I couldn't find one like this. I just nowhere. I looked for a long time. There's nothing available. So I had to go with this one. I had to do some modifications to make it fit. But if you have no other choice, it can be done. So there you go.